Another creepy basement. Looks like they have drop ceilings. This basement actually had a fireplace. It's pretty cool. Let's go take a look at the furnace. This furnace is a old furnace. It sounds like it's running, but we'll have to turn that thermostat up because I believe I'm only feeling cold air, so it might need to be updated. If we look at this, see the wire going to the water heater, electric, plumbing looks decent, cast iron, poured concrete, right? You see the oil tank, electrical panel in the back, looks like it's been updated. Oil tank is older, probably want to update that. I think this basement carries water because look at the distinction. You see that? So obviously you got to put some pumps in New England. Cast iron, plumbing. Then you got copper. It's pretty good. At some point the cast iron would have to get updated if it starts leaking. But if you see going into the house, it's PVC, right? So obviously something's been updated in the bathroom. If you want to go buy some real estate, I like looking at the basements. This is in New England where you can find out a lot about what's going on with the property.